Okay, well, I just wanted to walk you through the lesson today. I figured I would do a video post instead of a written post. Let me show you some of the things that I found useful that I don't know if some of you have found or not. So here I am in the normal page and I go to content, and I don't know how you guys get to your different things, but I just want to show you how I like to get through things. I always go to overview. Now the nice thing about the overview is that as you read through this, it'll give you an idea of what we're doing this week, and then it'll also give you a link to all of the activities that are due this week. The other nice thing is it talks about continuing assignments. I don't know how many of you have seen this, but for this week, you'll need to continue tracking your budget and expenses, and you'll turn this in week 7. The other thing that you need to be doing that I always worry that people are going to get behind on are reading your financial book, and that'll be due in week 12. Some of you also have questions about gatherings and when you can miss it, and here's the rubric on the gatherings. If you miss 3, there won't be any problems. If you miss 4, you'll be deducted a whole letter grade. And if you miss 5 or more, you fail the semester. So I hope most of you are keeping up on it. I know that with weather and things, there's been some that have been canceled, and you've emailed me about that. And so you do need to email me if it's being canceled so that I can keep track of those things. Then I just click on Next here. And this takes me into the pre-gathering. And so I click on here, and this is the overview that you've seen, and you do these pages. I know because there's comments about the videos. He's kind of a high energy type of person. And so I just click Next, and this is where you have the instructions. And it does say that instead of submitting your solutions to your instructor, you'll complete it in the citizenship assignment. And sure enough, when you click Next, this is the citizenship assignment. Then you have a quiz. One thing I wanted to point out to you is that if you score 75% or above, you can retake the quiz. If you score less than 75%, you have to retake the quiz. This is on all exams and on all quizzes. Quiz is available twice. If you need to take it any more than that, then you need to email me. I would also recommend that you meet with a tutor. Maybe if you take it once and score less than 75% and then take it a second time, I would meet with the tutor to make sure that you understand what you're doing. And I know that the tutor has emailed all of you, and so you can contact him. And then you continue through, and here's the actual quiz, and I just click Next. And then here's the gathering things, and I know lots of you know how to do the gathering things because I see that you're turning those things in. And then you have the same type of thing for the post. So I wasn't showing this to you because some of you are struggling and it's new. I was showing it to you because I think there's some of you that are maybe missing a few things, and maybe you're not going into the overview. And I like this because now it's almost the same thing I put on my announcements, but it's just a check mark to make sure that you're doing all of these things. It is a great opportunity to teach you and work with you. It's fun to get to know you, and I hope that you're able to continue and succeed and have fun in your learning.